Oh, hello, internet. I guess since so many people wanted to comment about this video, um, I'll show you guys what the tattoo actually looks like, finished product. Like I was gonna go over it, but then I decided nah. There you go. That is what it looks like. This is a little shitty cam on the EPC, so I don't know if you're gonna see it really good in detail, but that's it. I'm twisting my arm right now. That's probably better. So I have to twist my arm. So yeah, I like it. So I guess that's what really matters. Oh, if you guys want to see my other tattoo, this arm. That's a robot. So I have a ghost and a robot. I have some other stuff too. I did this one as well. This was the first one I did. That one. Yeah, that one's pretty rad. And that's a little copyright thing. And then I have this skull and crossbone. It's like my first tattoo with a chick. That was a pretty dumb idea, but like, at least I didn't. My friend has like names and stuff, and at least I don't have anyone's names tattooed on me. That's nice. Alright, so that was, yeah, the recap. There you go. You saw it. Peace.